Nah, that looks pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I could stick my hand. Look at that, it goes way down deep. That's cool. I could slowly pull them in. That's cool. I want to see if I can get my lure in the middle of that. But I finally hooked the fish here. It feels alright. Oh, I'm worried I've lost it. Oh no. Oh no. Might just be a little flatty. Oh, it feels alright. Yeah, I've still got him. Oh, it's a nice, that's a monster flatty. Holy, oh, look at that, guys. He's freaking monster. Look at the size of this flathead. It's around the gills. Come on, buddy. Come on, old girl. Let's go. He's in. She's in. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Ah, crap. Look at the size of it. Look at the size of this thing. Oh, on the gulp shrimp. Caught a fish all day. It's 10:30. I started at 7:30. It's been 3 hours. Look at that. Is it a dusky? Yeah, it's a dusky. So good. I just gotta undo that, undo that. She's smashed today, this big girl. Hey, settle. This is gonna be a little difficult. Sorry, guys. Yes, thank you for opening up. I'm gonna try and get the lippers in there. Okay, I might get my pliers as well. It'll just be easier. It's okay. It's all good. All good, doggo. It's all good. Open up. Oh, come on. Come on. Let's go. Got it. I got him on. Okay. Now, oh, this line is tethered as. I'm just going to cut it. There's the gulp down straight there. I was just trawling this along the bottom. Absolute hammered the 3-inch gulp. Absolute hammered it. Look at it down there. Oh, good hook up. Yeah, let's see that. Yeah, wouldn't have been long and it would have snapped off. Look at, that's a cracking flathead. Oh, look at the size of it. Just let it have a quick drink. And my wrist first. To keep or not to keep. Depends if it's too big. Look at the size of that. Biggest flathead I've ever seen. That's huge. Look at that big girl. Oh, I didn't even bring my bloody brag mat. So I'll just have to, that's bigger than 50. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna have to do here. Just extra 15. What's 50 plus 15? 65. 65, I think. Hey guys, so I've decided to call it quits. I've been kayaking for about 4 hours. This flathead, it needs to get home. So thank you guys again for watching. Please like, subscribe. I'll catch you later.